Hello, guys. So, the way that you're going to turn in most of your assignments, and all you have to do for this week is just show that you have Maya, which is the 3D software that we are going to be using for modeling and animation, that you got it up and running. If you're having technical problems, please don't stress out. We're going to have a few meetings and make sure that everybody's got it up and running. So, I'm not going to ding you if it takes you a little bit because yeah, I've been there. Don't worry about it. So, but we'll get it all set up and running. And once you do that, all you have to do is show me a screenshot. Now, we'll be turning in for this course screenshots, renders, and videos, and sometimes just some pictures for references and stuff like that. So to take a screenshot, if I'm in Windows, the easiest way to do it is actually, assuming you're on a, Windows 10, which I would hope most of you are. Hopefully, if not, get Windows 10. It's better. So we go in, and I can go in here and type in snip and sketch. And what this does is it pulls up this window here. And I'm going to show you the reason I like this. Because if I have, like when you're showing stuff, um, I can just hit new. And then I can draw a box around whatever it is that I'm trying to take a screenshot of. And then it does it. And then I would just save it save it as a file. And then I'm going to show you how to upload it. But one of the other cool things is this is a great way when you are asking questions on something that you have a question about. So what I mean by that is you notice there's these little tools up top. Well, I can click and I can choose something. And if something is missing, like which may happen because Maya's interface changes, the interface here might look different from when you first open it up. That's okay. Nothing is broken. You don't need to reinstall it. We'll go over that. But let's say something is missing and you say, hey, Ty, this is what I mean. This is missing. And then you write me a little message when you turn it in. These little annotations will save if you do that and then hit save. So you can change the color of it. You can highlight different things. You can even write. Unless you have a tablet, the writing kind of sucks, so I wouldn't do that. Or I would just pull it into Photoshop and put text if you needed to, or just write a message if you needed to. You can crop it down. You can even turn on a ruler that when you actually choose, like, oh, what does it mean? Like if I go right here, boom, and I'm just drawing a line and draw a line. I can even use my mouse roller, which is an important thing. You guys need a 3-button mouse. Yeah, so the whole, oops, undo. The whole, there we go, and I can just shut that off. See? And I can erase them. So the whole, I use a 2-button mouse or I use my trackpad. That does not work in Maya. I mean, it does work, but it is painful to do it. You have to change settings. It is not what it's built for. So you have to have a 3-button mouse. I always forget that because I always assume that people have 3-button mice, but yeah, you need a 3-button mouse. Doesn't have to be super expensive. I use a gaming mouse, but that's about it. Once you've done this and you've saved it, so we go through and I'm just going to go, it's right in here, copy. And I'm just going to call this one my Maya installed, right? So I'd save that. And let's see how you would actually turn this in. So now that I've got that saved, I would go to wherever my assignment is where I have to do an upload. We click on submit assignment. And then I just choose the file and then I upload that file. I can upload multiple files. This is where you will turn in your images, your movies, stuff like that, as well as doing it inside of the discussion. We'll talk about that in the discussion. So you would just do your upload and then submit the assignment, and then it's submitted for grading. So for the assignments, that's all you have to do. Let me know if you have any questions.